Jarrow Formulas Lutein benefits. Benefits. Lutein is an antioxidant carotenoid that occurs in nature with zeaxanthin, a closely related carotenoid. Lutein and zeaxanthin concentrate in the eye's macula and lens, as well as in the brain, skin, breast and cervical tissues. Both lutein and zeaxanthin protect the macula from degration normally associated with aging and oxidative stress. The macula is responsible for focus and color differentiation. Lutein and zeaxanthin are found in dark green, leafy vegetables. While the average American intake of lutein is only 2 mg per day, other population groups consume up to 20 to 25 mg per day. Jarrow Formulas Lutein is extracted from marigold petals. Each softgel contains 20 mg lutein, net yield, as free lutein, the form found in the macula. Description: Lutein 20 mg / zeaxanthin 4 mg. Supports visual function and macular health. 20 mg. Dietary supplement. LuteMax 2020, lutein and zeaxanthin. Suggested use: take 1 softgel per day with food or as directed by your qualified healthcare professional. Other ingredients: sunflower oil, beeswax and natural mixed tocopherols. Softgel consists of gelatin, glycerin and purified water. No wheat, no gluten, no dairy, no egg. Warnings. Note: color variation due to nature of material. Note: if you have a medical condition, are pregnant, lactating, trying to conceive, under the age of 18, or taking medications, consult your healthcare professional before using this product. Keep out of the reach of children. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.